And you know what I like about working with you is also that you actually record a lot of physical stuff.
Yeah.
You send us clips. I mean, I have so much to link in the description. But, maybe I can share the screen and we can. But I don't think they're online. But your behind the scenes video is what I mean.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Like, I mean, I remember we did the Staco corporate film, and there was a scene we rented a swimming pool with an actual professional swimmer, diving in, and you actually created that sound, not by
Right.
just downloading a Foley pack because they exist. I mean,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
you can have splashing water, but you actually took a took something, you put water in there, like I don't know what it is, like a box, like a plastic box or
Container.
something.
Yeah. It was for shoes.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
And you set up your microphone and you were splashing the water with your hand, but then you could exactly do it the way you wanted, the angle of your hand, the how hard you would hit the water to get the exact splash you need, and then
Yeah.
you synthesize all of that in your software. It's crazy, and you do that a lot, right?
I
Why?
like doing that, to be honest. It takes a long time, like you said. Sometimes I'm forcing myself to make my process longer, which sometimes it's not even worth it because it's like you work for 2 hours and the sound is like, I don't like it. Oh, okay, well, but at least I try because I always see you guys going to the place and actually shooting and giving your best. So I'm like, why shouldn't I doing the same in a way? I know it's sound and sometimes people just mute the videos, which is fine. But
Yeah.
some other people do appreciate those details, and that's what I think about sometimes. Like,
But the thing is that it's great. The thing is that most of the times I didn't even realize until you sent me the behind the scenes clip that you made, because it's hard to tell, of course, but that always makes it more special to me, like the handcrafted
yeah,
stuff. But so you like to keep sort of still with all the software and all the possibilities that you have digitally, you still like to have this sensory connection with the process of making music, the acoustics of it, the actual real life touching stuff it moves air and it makes a sound.
yeah. It's a crazy thing for people that are not into sound because I just love sound in general, like appreciating it because everything sounds everything has a sound. So every place has a sound. Even the way we walk, if you think about it, you can recognize someone by the way they walk because of their weight, because of their height, because of their shoes, because of the place itself. So I'm super like into hearing things. I mean, like, oh, that's super interesting. And it's the
Yeah.
same with the sounds that I use for certain projects. It's like, okay, I know that I see this movement and it has to be like that. And I sometimes, like I said, I spend a lot of time just, if not touching this to make it sound the way it is, processing the sound in the computer. So yeah, I do like spending some time with sound.